Hi everyone, Dr. Remy from Pain Free and Fit and Posturesize. Today we've got a great video for those of you with chronic lower back pain addressing the timing of some key stabilizing muscles in the lower back known as the multifidus muscles. Hope you enjoy. So many people with lower back pain have a problem with the timing of the multifidus muscles, meaning these stabilizing muscles in the back should contract or turn on before we do any type of movement. And many times in chronic lower back pain, the multifidus becomes weak and it becomes delayed, so it doesn't contract at the right time, and it leaves your vertebra able to have a little excessive motion so it can't protect itself from the damaging stresses of lifting, stooping, pulling, bending, moving in different ways. So one of the ways to examine this in your body is to take your thumbs, go to your lower back, and pick any vertebra you want out of the 5 that go through the lower back. Go to the midline and feel those midline bones, and go to the very bottom of each bone and the outer corners, right and left of the bottom of each bone. And when you do this, you're going to be feeling where the multifidus connects to on each vertebra. Normally, when you pull your lower abdomen in, you should feel a contraction on that multifidus. The multifidus muscle should bulge out into your thumbs. Check all 5 levels, and if you notice one or more areas does not bulge out, it indicates a weak multifidus muscle. Now, weakness and timing many times are 2 different things. If you keep the thumbs on those areas and in the standing position, allow your hips to travel forward, this creates what's known as an artificial hip extension. It relaxes the multifidus muscles. It's called sway back posture. The further testing is done by bringing your hips backwards, and you will feel as you do so a contraction of those multifidus muscles. Because as the hips come back, your upper body from the hip joint, not from bending your lower back, but from the hip joint, starts to bend forward, and you need those multifidus muscles to support the spine so it doesn't fall forward. So again, as you bring your hips forward, the multifidus relaxes. As you bring them back, you should normally feel some tension. What I want you to look for is as you bring the hips back, does that multifidus contract or bulge out into your right and left fingers at the same time? Many people with chronic lower back pain have one multifidus on one side that contracts quicker before the other side. One side is delayed in its timing. And that's what we want to try to fix with this exercise. So we go back to the hip forward and allow the multifidus to relax. And as you slide your hips back, focus on that tension occurring at the same time. You many times will have to almost preamble the contraction by thinking, I want that side to tighten right before the other side. And you'll notice that you can, with practice going back and forth, start to get both sides of the multifidus to contract at the same time. Once they contract at the same time, go back and forth and repeat for repetitions, hips forward to relax, hips back to turn it on, and go up to each level and check to make sure that both sides are contracting at the same time. This is a great training exercise to relearn how to condition your multifidus's timing so it activates at the same time, providing a symmetrical support for your lower back and avoiding excessive motion that aggravates lower back pain. If you like this video and would like to learn more about low back healing exercises, feel free to subscribe to our channel. We've got a lot of great videos to share. If you like what we're teaching, would like to help me share this vital information with others, give me a thumbs up below. Questions or comments, please write in. I love your ideas. I love your suggestions. Any type of comment that I can help with many times seeds the ideas for future videos. And remember, that's the whole idea of our channel, to help you with your own healing exercises. If you have a particular concern about your case, I am available for consultations. You can contact me at the painfreeandfit.website. We have a bunch of contact avenues there. You and I can get together and discuss your unique case. I hope this video on multifidus timing helps you with your chronic lower back pain.